Alright, today is the 1st of September 2025, and as you can see, what we have here is 40-man houseboat, brand new 40-man houseboat that is up for sale. It's fully furnished. You can see everything here is new, both the ACs, inside the rooms, the beds and all that is needed for the houseboat to function has been placed. This is 40-man houseboat, brand new. It's not like your any kind of houseboat. This was built from scratch till this point you're looking at it now. Still very, very new. So see it. I think it is still very new. Very new. You can see everything you're seeing here was purchased new. Nothing here is purchased as a fairly used. It was built from the scratch, and everything that the boat needs to function was also, bought as brand new. You can see that it has rooms. It has the lounge, or you can call it the recreational room. Alright. It has the mess hall, and the kitchen. So that is it. It's brand new 40-man houseboat. You can see, built from scratch. So interested buyers can contact